Hello from Slovenia again. I will do some spin again with my technique when I do kind of a bloom and then rack it in some way, and now I will spin it. This is fluorescent orange and of course pearl white, and I will use indigo with it today, and we will see how these two will work together. I'm just adding pearl white a little in between, just for break up those two, just so that they will not mix too much. So if you didn't watch my live from yesterday, I did some nice painting for my taste, so please check if you want. I have some problems with my connection again. I don't know what is wrong. I have to try to, I don't know, do something with it, but I don't know what, because my connection is good otherwise, but when I do live I have problems always, so I don't know why. I just don't know how to do this, that you will see how I blow it. I hope that this way you will see it. I hope that you see blowing process, because it's hard to focus on into this box and give you enough room to see the blowing part. So I am always struggling with this middle part, and I have something here in the middle, I think. So let's spin this. I will just go once more maybe. just to break this middle if I can. But I don't know. I love these colors together, they are beautiful, but still I have this problem with the middle part, so I will just try to add some orange. And I think that this will do. Okay. I like these colors together. They are nice. Let's torch it a little bit. I think that I like it this way. I like these two colors together, but because I didn't get brown out of orange and this blue, so I will pause you and take you for a close-up. So here we go. See some nice details and lacing, and I just love it. I love these two colors together because I did get some purple shade and really nice lacing effects. See? And some kind of fractals here. They are cute. And a creature. This lacing here is beautiful too, so I am happy. This was quick one, but nice one. So if you like it, please subscribe if you didn't yet. Share my videos on social media to help me with my channel. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and see you on the next one. Bye.